Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Google Slides vertical, instead of the usual horizontal layout. It's super simple and will make your presentations look really different, so let's get into it. First, open the Google Slides presentation you want to adjust. Once it's open, go up to the File menu at the top left. Next, scroll down and click on Page Setup. This will open a small window with different size options. In the Page Setup window, click the drop-down that might say Standard or Widescreen and select Custom. This lets you type in the dimensions you want. Now type your vertical dimensions. For example, you can set width to 10 inches and height to 14 inches, or whatever ratio works for your project. Then click Apply, and boom, your slides are vertical. Finally, just check your slides and adjust any content so it fits nicely in the new vertical layout. You might need to move text boxes or images a little, but it's pretty straightforward. And that's it. Now your Google Slides are vertical and ready to impress. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.